Hey guys, it's Overlord here, back again with another video, and today we got some package. Now before I unbox this baby, I want to let you guys know I am pleased with the results from the last chance grabs. And I just want to let you guys know your stuff is saved for now. Yeah, well actually it'll probably just be saved. So what's still up for grabs is what was in the video, and if people haven't commented on it, you have first dibs. So, with that in mind, let's get into the unboxing. Now, this package came all dinged up. It's got a little hole, but that just makes it all the more easier to open. I don't know if I can just cut. Alright. It's going to be a pain in the two. Is it? Frustration. I having to pull the scissors over for one little thing. Alright, crap is. I think I can. Oh, come on. Let me pull the tab off. I don't think this was going to be used. Alright. It is none other than the Marvel Legends Series 8 Man-Thing. You guys are probably like, who the hell is this? Isn't Spider-Man? No, it's not. And, yeah. Man-Thing. I think we can open this sucker in a few minutes. The box is a bit squished. I paid $23 for this. My dad and I were the only ones who bid on it, so we got it for quite a good price. The buy it now was $40, and I think it had like 10 something shipping. I don't know. The shipping was pretty high, but nobody else bid on it. I think it was $12.99 with like 10 or $9.99 shipping, if I'm not mistaken. So it was fairly cheap compared to a lot of the other prices I've seen this thing up for. Should just be able to. Nope, just can't. So I gotta hack that part too. Oh yeah, that good old Toy Biz smell. He's gotta cut one side of the box so you can open it. And by today's standards, this thing is like Build-A-Figure size. So I paid That scared the crapola out of me. Tape came off there. Look at that. Comes with a comic book, of course. It's a comic. And the reason I bought this figure is because he not only teamed up with Spider-Man, that's not the reason I bought it, it's because he teamed up with Ghost Rider, and he is technically a Marvel monster. So he will go great for a little monsters display I'll have set up eventually. And he comes with oodles of twisty ties, which I can use to help hang stuff up and what have you. So for starters, here's his base. Wow, that frog is a lot more flimsy than I thought he was going to be. This is his base. Boing, 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 boing. Okay. That's a freaking thick base. That ain't no... Apparently you can mount it on the wall. It's kind of weird. Now, figure inside. But I like to use the twisty ties. I actually used one recently to hold Ghost Rider's chain in place. So it's like a bendy wire chain. I'll show you guys that in another video. Probably a OTR's how-tos segment. Okay, just come out then. I think it was a wire about the size of the one I just took off of Man Thing here. Okay, definitely wasn't that long, but let's get another. So, anyone seen any good movies lately? It's kind of like unboxing Doomsday, except Doomsday just had 2 boxes, 3 boxes actually, to go through and some tape. And he had twisty ties, which I think I might have untied them, I don't know. That was a while ago. Back when I wasn't in school and was a lot more healthy. School made me sick. So, not too sick, but. But I'd say the wire I used was about that length, maybe a little shorter. It was for the Marvel Legends Series 6 Ghost Rider, and holy molar. He's got a nice little ball joint there. That's pretty sweet. This guy is awesome. The hinges on his... Oh boy. Oh, there we go. He's got nice swivels, nice hinges. His thumb is individual. You see, we don't get crap like this anymore because everyone cheeses out. Does he have single joints? No, he's got double joints. Oh, the waist is underneath the little fur piece. I did not know that. Glad I do. Nice Nice tight joints. His fingers are a little loose, but that's to be expected. Typical Toy Biz joint syndrome. A little tight here and there. That one's a little bit easier to move down than the other one. I think he's got a calf. Yep. And the knees, he's got... Ooh, smelly. Yeah. He's got double joints at the knees, and he's got a calf rotation. His feet have little rockers. That's crazy. But yeah, this is essentially Marvel's answer to Swamp Thing. Marvel has a lot of answers to DC characters. It's quite obvious, but anything here? This is a sweet figure. It just is. Does he have like wide joints? I think he does. Poopy, but whatever. I think this is one of my favorite Legends. He's just that freaking cool, and I just opened him. If something's that cool when you open it, it's gotta be a keeper. I love the way his head moves on this joint. It's really cool. But the reason I got this is because we got a couple of minutes. In the comics, he was with Ghost Rider. The Johnny Blaze one, I'd have you, but I'll explain that all in the movie when I get to that. But he was with the Werewolf by Night, Ghost Rider, and Morbius. Now, I need the Werewolf and I need Morbius, but I've been able to find Morbius as of late, and I think I'll get him next. The Werewolf by Night is on the Christmas list, so hopefully I'll get him with the other monsters then. But I was thinking maybe for a little Ghost Rider movie, we could do Legion of Monsters. I believe that's what they were called. And we could have Ghost Rider team up with Man-Thing, Morbius, and the Werewolf by Night to fight Dracula. Sounds pretty cool in my head. It'd probably go up during my 2-week Christmas vacation. Yeah, I got 2 weeks again. Woohoo! So, yeah, Man-Thing, one of my favorite Legends. I should do a top 10 eventually. He'd definitely be in it. He's pretty freaking sweet. So, hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Stay tuned for a review of this guy and some Spawn figures. And no, I haven't been able to get my app to work for the intro, so my Spawn reviews will be intro free. I apologize. It's actually not my fault this time, so don't yell at me. So stay tuned for some Spawn stuff and some Marvel Legends stuff, maybe even some DCUC, because I do have the Adam West 2-pack up there hanging on the wall. So stay tuned for all that good stuff and tag team reviews when my app gets fixed. And until next time, I will catch you guys later.